This is a bug? And this? And this? And this? No, that was an actual bug. And in this video, we are going to see some popular apps and websites with these bugs, show how to fix them if necessary, and send them to the appropriate people for them to be fixed. And just before we get into it, I have to do it. I have to make a bug joke. How do you comfort a JavaScript bug?
Here we go.
You console it. And you gotta stick with me to the end so you do not catch a bug. We start off with a popular website. I think they also have an app, GitHub. A lot of programmers know GitHub. And just in case you do not know, GitHub has one widely used feature, and that is for version control. So at first glance, everything is working except after creating a repository and you want to copy the link to the repository. Oh boy, I clicked on this several times because I did not get any feedback whether I had copied the link or not. I only figured it out when I opened Notepad and pressed Ctrl+V to paste. GitHub, come on. I love you, but please, for newcomers, it can be really annoying, so please fix it. But we have not seen the worst yet. Coming up, we get to see WhatsApp, Duolingo, and MongoDB. Sending a feedback message, title is A Bug in GitHub. Body. Hello GitHub, you have a bug in your user interface where users do not get feedback when they copy their GitHub repository link just when they are creating the repository. For new users, it is a bad experience as they keep clicking due to no feedback. I am okay now, but since it's literally a small fix, we will appreciate it very much. Thanks, and you are a game changer. Start discussion. Hopefully, people will notice it and talk more about it. Probably not. I now want to move to TikTok. Honestly, I don't use TikTok much, but I had to snoop around to see if I could find any bug. I went to each part of the app and they were good. Could not find any bug. So just when I was about to give up, I stumbled upon something. Amazed, I looked down, pressed on the profile section, changed accounts, and momentarily, it switched to the account normally, but then restarts the app entirely. Now you may not consider this has a bug, and quite frankly, it is not that big of a deal. But Telegram has a multiple account feature, just like many apps do, including WhatsApp joining the scene recently. So check this out. Switching account, smoothless transition. No need for a restart, and this is the same for the app. So TikTok, why? Other apps does it smoothly, so please fix that. If I were the programmer fixing it, I think changing of an account involves changing the authentication ID from the previous account to the current one, which is pretty simple. So as I said, it may not be a bug. And maybe that's how TikTok wants it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Moving on to MongoDB, again a familiar name to most developers. Just like GitHub, they have this weird UI design that can be really confusing. Check this out. This is the first page of MongoDB. Do you guys notice it? It is right there. The ability to log in. According to my research, 70 to 80% of websites have visible logins, and maybe I am grabbing at straws here. But even if you figure out that you can sign in when you press these three dots, there is this. Again, do you guys notice it? The don't have an account is before the options to log in just after saying log in to your account. Of course, from one perspective, this is not a bug and just a company's design, but it can be confusing. For this, I think it is a personal bug to me, so we are going to let it slide. Moving on to the app used by billions of people around the world, WhatsApp. Trust me, like TikTok, I tried to find a bug. It took me days, but I did. Well, when I say tried, I mean the bug fell into my lap when I was trying to send an emoji. When switching from the keyboard to emoji, or vice versa, or when you are pressing the emoji button, look, there is this extra space separating the field in which we text and the emoji section. You literally cannot see the message screen again. And this is a bug I face whenever I am dealing with list view builders in Flutter. WhatsApp, it is an easy fix, and quite frankly, your previous version did not have this glitch or bug, sending video proof and text to WhatsApp. Done. Now to Duolingo, there is this bug that I found because I have been using the app for 41 days now. Yes, I am on a 41-day streak, learning new languages, but this weird thing kept happening. I always repeat a lesson when I connected to a different Wi-Fi. So if I was at level 1 when I was connected to Wi-Fi A, I will have to repeat the lesson the next day if I was connected to a different Wi-Fi. Now that is a little bit weird, and it did not happen once or twice, because I would have chalked that up as a coincidence. But it happened a lot. So with this, I don't know how to fix it because I am not 100% sure that this is the problem. Kindly let me know in the comment section if anyone has experienced this, where you have to repeat a lesson for some reason. So we can send a message to Duolingo ASAP, but submitting a bug report to Duolingo. And done. And also, can we spam the comment with Isandre? Let Creed take the first spot. Thanks, guys. Twitter had this bug on the web version, and honestly, it is so basic. The authentication system was a mess. Trying to sign up via web was impossible. Unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you want to see this, on the time of recording, that bug had been fixed so I can show it to you guys. And as Elon is watching this, he's probably mad I said Twitter instead of X. Sorry, Elon. There are so many bugs and glitches on the internet. I consider the UI of Python Anywhere as a bug. I mean, look, sorry, Python Anywhere. I will do the UI for free if you want. And YouTube, what does this mean? Anyway, this video was just to show you how programming/coding rides along with bugs, and even in production mode, there can be bugs in your apps and websites. You did see from the popular apps and websites that even though there were bugs in them, they were not of a huge concern. And that is due to one thing: handling errors. If you are a programmer and you know how to handle errors effectively, situations where there are bugs will just be a normal experience for users. So, let me know in the comment section if you want videos on handling errors effectively in popular programming languages. And I got you. This was fun. I hoped you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot. And until the next video, adios.